Yes, student. Like if this is a table, if you take, this is a straight line. This is right angle. Yes, this is right angle. This is acute angle less than 90. This is 90 degrees right angle, less than 90 acute angle, right angle, more than 90 it is obtuse angle. More than 90 degrees we call it as, this is 90, this all we call as obtuse angle, and this is straight angle. Clear? From 1 degrees to 90 to 89, not 90, 1 degrees to 89 degrees, less than 90, 89 degrees we call it as acute angle. 90 degrees we call it as right angle. From 91 degrees to 179 degrees we call it as obtuse angle. 180 degrees straight angle. This is 180 degrees, it is 180 degrees, it is straight angle. Less than 90 acute angle, more than 90 obtuse angle. Yes, clear children? Now we'll write the table for this. Type of angle and the measure. First we will write what is an angle, then we will write the measures of angle. Just copy in the class of children. Angle, is formed between two rays or two line segments. Angle is formed between two rays or two line segments. This you know already. Yes. Now we will write the table. Type of angle and measure. Yes, ma'am. 0 angle means 0 degrees. Then right angle. How much is right angle? 90 degrees. Then straight angle. Straight angle is nothing but 180 degrees. Then complete angle, I didn't tell you this, I will tell you now. Complete angle is 360 degrees. Then acute angle between 0 degrees and 90 degrees. This degrees should be above the number. Degrees 0 should be above the number. 0 degrees, 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 360 degrees. What is degree? That is the unit we use to measure the angle here. Unit used to measure money currency is rupee. Unit used to measure the length is centimeters, meters. Unit used to measure the angle is 0 degrees, 90 degree is the unit to measure. Now acute angle means between 0 degrees and 90 degrees means between 0 and 90 means 0 and 90 are not included. We start from 1 to 89. 1 degree to 89 degrees we call it as acute angle. Then obtuse angle is from, it is between 90 degrees and 180 degrees. 90 degrees and 180 degrees means this 90 and 180 are not included. We start from 91 and end at 179 degrees. These two are not included. Between means n numbers are not included. We start from 91 to 179. So this is obtuse angle. Reflex angle means it is between 180 and 360 degrees. So reflex angle means it is between 180 degrees to 360 degrees. Clear, children? Copy down in the classwork. Write what is angle first. How the angle is formed? Angle is formed between two rays or two line segments. Zero angle, it is 0 degrees. Right angle is 90 degrees. Straight angle is 180 degrees. 180 degrees. Complete angle is 360 degrees. Acute angle from 1 degree to 89 degrees. Obtuse angle is 91 degrees to 179 degrees. Reflex angle between 180 and 360 degrees. Copy in the classwork. So this is a straight line, children. Straight line, the angle is formed at a point that you know already. These are the two arms. You can take anywhere. So angle is formed at a point, at vertex, where two arms meet. Two arms touch each other at a point. The angle is formed there. Yes. Now if this is bent, if this is bent towards this side, straight angle. This is straight angle. Now the angle is formed here now. This starts from 0. Here we start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 90. This is 91, 92, 93, 100, 120, 130, 140. This is 180. Now if this rotates like this, 180. More than 180 also you have. More than 180 means 181, 182, 1 till here it is 270. So the angle from 181 degrees, 181, 191, 190, 191, 200, 270, 295. This all till 360 is called as complete angle. Clear, children? From 0 degrees to 360 degrees, when it rotates completely, this is called as complete angle. 360 degrees. Complete angle means it is 360 degrees. Now from 181 to 359 degrees we call as reflex angle. This is called as reflex angle from 181 degrees to 359 degrees. From down, after 181, after straight angle also angle is formed there. It is 181 degrees to 359 degrees. We call it as reflex angle.